Hello everyone. A couple of days ago, I went out with my family for an unplanned day of roaming in beautiful Kashinathpur. With no intention to shop, we just wanted to spend quality time together. But as life often surprises us, our little outing turned into a delightful adventure. We visited a shop named Hatim where my wife explored almiras while my son had fun while inside an almira box. Although we didn't plan to buy anything, we ended up purchasing a shoe rack that we always wanted to buy. My wife also got her mobile cover and protector glass replaced. The tax had been pending for a while. Later, we headed to the nursery to exchange an apple tree that didn't survive. The nursery owner was kind enough to help us, and we brought back a beautiful apple plants along with 3 Naga Morich. The Naga Morich plants are known for their fiery spices, and also we are so excited to grow them in our home because I love chilies. Alright, on our way back home, we picked up some snacks, oranges, chips, and juice for our son, and returned home feeling happy and fulfilled. Back home, some of my wonderful students helped us bringing in the shoe rack in my room. My son couldn't stop admiring it, and my mother welcomed us back, having waited patiently since morning. Through this vlog, I wanted to show you how everyday moments can teach us new English phrases and expressions. Watch the full video to enjoy our journey and pick up some English vocabulary along the way. Remember, some adventure often create the best memories. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends to help them to learn English. Subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Cheers!
Subscribe to learn English every day.